Hey everyone, VisionAutoworks here with a Chevy Tahoe headlight package finished up today. This customer went with our Morimoto Mini H1 8.0 by Xenon projector retrofit. These are the more updated and refined version of the Mini H1 projectors that are commonly used in a lot of headlight retrofits. So get more performance out of this form factor projector with the 8.0 by Xenons. This build was completed on brand new Eagle Eyes headlights. They are 100% OEM replica, exactly the same as stock, and this customer did want a really OEM look, so we chose the iris shrouds for this build. These are a nice kind of round and chrome shroud that fits really perfectly in the stock reflector bowl area. Makes for a really OEM look. We're going to cut the HID system here on. We have a Morimoto XB35 AMP ballast running as testing today. This kit does come with the Morimoto HID system. Our complete packages all include the Morimoto HID system here. So you can see the warm-up time is pretty strong, pretty quick. And this customer went with 5000K bulbs, a nice bright white output here. Overall, really clean OEM plus setup and 100% plug and play, ready to install out of the box. So if you want to order a package like this, you can visit our website, VisionAutoworks.com. We have a headlight package available for this vehicle. You can customize it the way you want it. If you want to add like halos or demonized lens etching, any cosmetic things we can add to this package. Most of our customers do go with, more of a subdued OEM look. If you have any other questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on the website. Thanks.